Hi friends, today's experiment underwater volcano. For this experiment, I am using test tube, measuring cylinder, spatula, stirring stick, red food color, citric acid, baking soda. Measure 10 ml of water in measuring cylinder and pour it into the test tube. Add 2 drops of red color into the test tube and mix it using stirring stick. Then add 1 scoop of baking soda into the test tube. Measure 20 ml of cooking oil in the measuring cylinder, then slowly pour it into the test tube. Drop 1 scoop of citric acid into the test tube. Science behind this: bubbles of carbon dioxide are released. The bubbles move slowly through the oil layer because oil is thicker and stickier than water. This property of oil is called viscosity.